Is your business Cyber Essentials certified? What is Cyber Essentials? It's a government-backed scheme that will help protect businesses against a whole range of the most common cyber attacks. Here at Lily, we can carry out a site survey free of charge to see if your business is currently protected, following the guidelines that have been set by the scheme. Our aim is to get your business to the Cyber Essentials, followed by Cyber Essentials Plus certification, whereby a hands-on technical verification will need to be carried out to ensure your systems are secure for a security baseline so your position is established. With Lily, we can manage your IT solutions with our wide range of products and get you passing with flying colours. Give your customers peace of mind that their data and your business's network is safe. Book your free site survey today and get certified. Lily, the home of digital transformation.